This tutorial will help you fix this problem displayed before you. As you know, this is the insert page dialog box. It's supposed to come out only when you are the one who clicked this command for this to come out. If you click your page down on your keyboard, this command will come out. But what if this command, this dialog box, continues to repeat itself even when you press close? It doesn't want to close. Even when you press your escape key on your keyboard, it doesn't want to close. There's a button you've activated, or there's a setting or a command you've selected that this box keeps repeating itself. I want you to see how this box is repeating itself so that you understand what I'm talking about. So in case you encounter this kind of problem any day, anytime, just know that this method will help. Okay, I'm going to close this dialog box. Okay, I'm going to use both my escape key and my close button here, this X here. Let's see if it is going to close so that you understand how to fix this problem. Have you seen? So I've tried to close this dialog box and it is not closing. I've also pressed my escape key. It will go and come back, go and come back. It's not even allowing me to click anything around this environment until that box is off. So we are going to look at how we can solve that problem. Now, before you even try to fix this problem, first of all, close the program. Close the program itself. Okay, you can restart your system because it will not allow you to even close if you are not fast enough. Even if you press your escape key, you have to be very fast for you to close the program. Just restart your system. Just force your system to restart. Close all the programs and restart, because this will not allow you to even save your current project if you were designing. If you were not able to save it before that thing happens, if you are not fast to also save it when you press your escape key to click on your save button, then you have to close that design and continue when you open. So now just close this your whole interface by what? Restarting your PC. Restart your system. When you restart your system and it's up, this is what you do. Allow your system to boot well, load all your applications. Now I want you to carry your mouse pointer to where you have your CorelDRAW application, as if you want to open it, but don't click first. What you do for me is hold down your F8 function key, F8 on your keyboard. You see those your functions key, F8. Hold it down. Depending on your keyboard, if you are using a different keyboard from some other persons, what you do is there are some keyboards that have a function key first. Like there's a function key on your keyboard. Okay, what you do, hold down dat your function key, you see a key called or written Fn. Hold down Fn, then also hold down F8. Now this is what you are going to do. Now locate where you have your CorelDRAW icon, double click on it, allow it to load, allow it to load. As it is loading, it will show you a command. Okay, let's allow it to load. Good. Have you seen this? Have you seen what it's showing you? It's saying, are you sure you want to overwrite the current workspace with the factory default? It's a question. So what will you do? Just click on yes. And when you click on yes, you are going to restart the entire CorelDRAW interface. You are resetting it. Okay? You are resetting it. So by the time this your application now, by the time you try to restart it or by opening it, it is also going to return to default settings. These default settings will not delete your design project. Wherever you saved it in any folder, it will remain there. But the interface will be what? Resetted. So what you can do is when you are done resetting it, you can go back and do some of those settings you've done before. But before you do those settings, there is something I want to show you so that this box will not continue. So click on yes and remove your hands from your function key. So let's allow it to load. Allow it to load till the application open by itself. Then we'll look at the settings you want to uncheck or deactivate. Now you can see that this interface has restarted or resetted. Okay, so we can see that everything here is default. That's why you're not seeing any preview of any design you've done before. It has returned to a newly installed software on your PC. I'm using CorelDRAW 2018 for the sake of this tutorial, so that those that are using lower version will also benefit from this tutorial and understand. So if you are using any other version higher than this, you also achieve same result. Just stick to the end of this video, you will see that setting we want to deactivate. So now if I click on new page, this is it. If I click on new page, have you seen this environment? Yes, you say that this is where you have to, set your page and the rest. I'm not doubting you. Okay, this environment showing you create a new document dialog box. You can do whatever you want to do, but look at this down part where he has do not show this dialog again. This box, look at this box here. Have you seen? They do not show this dialog again. Just click on it and tick. That is to say, if this is your default setting A4 and this is what you want, okay, remember, even if you set anything here or you don't set anything here, you can also do same in the interface. You can do all these settings in the interface. Okay, from your property bar you can do all those settings. From your menu bar or menu icons, you can also do what? Achieve same setting from your menu bar. Okay, right now I have ticked this do not show this dialog again. I've ticked it. Okay, I'll click on okay and I'll wait for it to load. Now once that page opens, okay, as my page has opened, you can see that the default page is A4. If I want to do any setting here, I can come here and select any paper size. If I have any measurement from my property bar, I know where to measure. Okay, if you don't understand how to set all these pages and the rest, go and watch my beginners class so you can master CorelDRAW from scratch. I'll put the link in the description below, and also I'll put it around here. Now, why I said you should uncheck this from the beginning is because that box is because sometimes even if you've resetted it like this and you don't check that box, it will still come back. I'm only telling you what has worked for me, what I've seen, what I've noticed. I'm trying to share to you. If you have any other way, fine, but I'm telling you what has worked for me. Okay, so how can I be sure this has been deactivated? Go to your tools menu. Look at tools menu. If you're using higher version, the same thing. Option, Control plus J. Okay, click on option. Now it will take you to another dialog box. Now have you seen where we have workspace? Look at, if your own is like this, just click on workspace, click on general. Have you seen general? Have you seen show new document dialog box? Remember I said it should not show again. That was a command by ticking it. So if I want it to show, I'll come and click this show new document dialog box under general. Have you seen? Look at it here. Remember we went to workspace, general, then you see show new document dialog box. Under this other one that is showing welcome screen, I did not check it. Remember, the other one I checked it because I want it to disappear. Now it has disappeared. If I want it to appear, I'll click on what check. I'll check this one. I do not want to check this one. So this is the setting that is making that dialog box to come out. You might wonder why. And click on OK. That is if you want to be sure. You click on OK, and you can see that box is not coming out again. Have you seen? Have you seen? That box is not coming out again. So this is how to fix that problem. So always come back here for more valuable content like this.